Hello everyone. If you're thinking of building a career in logistics, you are in the right place. Today we are comparing logistic jobs in Germany, Canada and Australia. Logistics is a booming sector worldwide, especially in countries with strong trade and e-commerce market. Logistics job in Germany. Germany is Europe's logistics hub and is home to some of the biggest logistic companies in the world. With its central location in Europe, Germany plays a key role in global trade and supply chain management. The demand, logistic professionals are in high demand, particularly those skilled in supply chain management, warehouse operations and transportation planning. The salary. On average, logistic professionals in Germany earn between 40,000 to 60,000 euros per year, depending on experience and specialization. How to apply? To apply for logistic jobs in Germany, you will need to check job portals like Stepstone, Indeed or LinkedIn. And some positions may require proficiency in German, especially if you're handling local operations. These options. Germany has a demand for skilled professionals, so if you are qualified, you can apply for the Germany Opportunity Card, which is a great option for non-EU citizens looking to work in Germany. Logistic jobs in Canada. While Canada is a vast country with a thriving logistics sector, especially in major cities, the growing e-commerce market along with Canada's strategic location makes it an ideal place for logistics professionals. The demand. Canada is constantly in need of logistic managers, truck drivers, and supply chain experts. As e-commerce continues to grow, logistic jobs are expected to increase. The salary. In Canada, logistic professionals earn an average salary of Canadian dollars 50,000 to 75,000 per year, depending on experience and the role. Now, how to apply? To get started in Canada, you can use job boards like JobBank, Indeed, or Glassdoor. If you want to work in a specialized role like a supply chain manager or logistic analyst, make sure your resume highlights any relevant certification. Now, the visa options. Canada's Express Entry system is one of the most popular pathways for skilled workers. You can also apply through Provincial Nominee Program if you meet the regional demand. Now, logistic jobs in Australia. Australia is another top destination for logistics professionals with a high demand in cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. As a developed country with a stable economy, Australia offers ample opportunities in the logistics sector. The demand. Logistic jobs in Australia include roles like truck drivers, warehouse managers, and supply chain coordinators. The country's import-export sector, along with booming retail and e-commerce industries, keep the logistics market strong. Now, the salary. The average salary for logistic professionals in Australia ranges from Australian dollar 55,000 to 85,000 per year, depending on your role and experience level. How to apply? You can apply for logistic jobs in Australia through job cities like Seek, Career One, and Indeed. Well, some positions may require you to have a qualification in logistics or supply chain management, such as a certificate or a diploma in logistics. Now, the visa options. Australia's Skilled Migration Program offers multiple visa options for logistic professionals, including the Skilled Independent Visa and the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa. So, if you have the right skills and experience, it's definitely worth applying. Now, how Teratin can help you. At Teratin, we specialize in helping professionals like you find the best opportunities abroad. Whether you're looking to move to Germany, Canada, or Australia, we provide personalized assistance with job applications, visa process, and more. We help you optimize your LinkedIn profile and CV to match the requirements of the logistic industries in each country. We guide you through the entire visa application process to ensure that you have all the necessary documents. Based on your skills, experience, and preferences, we match you with the best job opportunities available in each country. So if you would like a free consultation, please fill out the form available in the description and pinned comments below. Whether you're looking for logistic jobs in Germany, Canada, or Australia, there are plenty of opportunities to grow your career. And remember, each country has its own process, so be sure to research the specific requirements and get started today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Teratin for more details.